Do you want to learn how to sell your own items or how to start a dropshipping business on eBay? Today I will explain you the whole process of selling on eBay. That will protect you to make mistakes on dropshipping. The process depends on the model that you will use. I mean, you can sell your own items that you will need to ship to your clients or just to dropship. So I will also share that information with you. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vitan. Before we move on, just let me give you 5 general tips on what to do before you start selling on eBay. After that, I will give you 11 steps that will give you all the knowledge that you need to start without issues selling in eBay. Tip number 1. Before you start selling on eBay, ask yourself, what are you willing to sacrifice? It's essential to understand that it's not easy to start an online business. Do you think to build your store as a hobby, or it will be a part-time or even the full-time job? Tip number 2. How much money are you willing to risk and invest in your eBay business? If you don't have a lot of money, I recommend using the dropshipping business model because you will not need many resources. If you think to buy some items in the warehouse and ship them to your clients, you will need a lot of money to start, and of course it has a risk to not have sales after that. Tip number 3. Most of your items in eBay will never return, and this means that you need to build a general store. A lot of people do that mistake at the beginning. They made a store for pets, for an example, but this is not Shopify or any other platform that you need to create a funnels. This is eBay. Clients here never return. You need to discover what type of items you are going to sell. There are so many items you can choose from. You can focus on selling clothes, books, electronics. Don't sell VERO items. VERO mean verified rights owner items. You can check them from the website vero.ebay.com, but it's straightforward to recognize VERO items. First, they are popular brands like Lego, Ray-Ban, Versace. Second, most luxury items are VERO. Also trademarks that are not often into eBay. When you search for something and you see only 3 to 5 results indicate VERO. Check the complete list and also use the Google about more information. In Google, you need to write name of the product, space, VERO, eBay. Tip number 4. You need to have enough space to do your business. A lot of people start selling online, but they didn't know that at the beginning you need to be in good silent room. You can use your garage, or you can rent an office or just another room from your apartment or a house. It's very important when you work for yourself to have enough space to build your business. Tip number 5. This is my last tip, but it's important as the previous one. It would be the best to understand your business model, for example, dropshipping, selling second-hand products or retail arbitrage, and so on. Before you start your business, you need to decide what model you will use. Subscribe my channel and leave a comment. This helps me a lot. Thank you very much. Those were quick tips. First, I will mention shortly the topics we will discuss later. Then I will explain every topic deeply. What accounts to open, what kind of items should you list, how to list your items, what to do to build your feedback, pictures and listings, shipping help, registering a new eBay account and link your payment method, about listing limits, taking photographs for your eBay listing, setting your store policies, gaining feedback to your store, shipping your products. So, what accounts to open? Well, you need an eBay account with managed payment active. You will have limitations on your account if it's brand new. Typically on eBay you will be limited to 10 items and up to $1,000 at the beginning. Just be aware of that. You can ask for increase a limit using the support only once a month. Sometimes the system will increase your limits automatically, but Be careful and don't call support more often than once at every 30 days. Before calling to the support, you need to prepare a few things. First, fill in your limit of the items. Before a call to support, you need to have listed and sold products equal for over 50% of your current limit, otherwise they will not increase. Second, be sure that you can answer to support most common question of what type of items you will plan to list. So, what items should you list for sale? Because you are going to be a limited of those 10 items at the beginning, your account will have zero feedback if it's not pretty good, old. You will want to list highly durable items so fast you can find profitable products with just a few clicks using Zika Analytics. I have a special offer for you. Use the link below at the description of this video and you'll see the Zika Analytics link with the offer for the community of Zero to Success. I already have a lot of clients in Bulgaria that use my consultations and my course at the website zerotosuccess.me. How should you list your items? To protect your account to be stopped, you need to know that at the beginning is very important. Before you list items on eBay, you must know the proper structure of the platform. You need first to be a buyer, after that a seller. This means that you need to buy a few items after creating an account and after that to start selling an items in eBay. There are two ways: buy it now or auction. When you first start out, auctions can be excellent way to guarantee sales. Your options are list the item as the auction, that take the risk of the item not being sold for as much money as you want, or list it as buy it now and wait to be sold. It's a secret that eBay has a team that check every first items manually of the new sellers and decide are they okay to begin using the platform. So if you dropship from Amazon, take photos from the original listing into reviews to look that you list your items yourself and you have them in stock. It's very important. Just follow the steps that you see on the screen. To download the images from Amazon, you can use high-res image downloader for merch by Amazon. What about the feedback? Everyone starts with zero feedback. My suggestion is to buy some items first 30 days. It's good rather to be a client, after that a seller. Then my advice to you is to purchase the items every day first month and to wait till you receive at least 10 feedbacks and close to your store name receive yellow star. It's very important. And also the next important thing is that every new account at eBay has for 30 days one little ring over the logo. It needs to disappear. This is two indications that you are ready to sell. First 10 feedbacks, yellow star, and at least 1 month older account. It's very important. Pictures and listings. Make sure you can take clear pictures. You can use only a phone to take them. Also, you should adjust the brightness to make the quality of the images better. If you decide to be a dropshipper, you can use my automated tools listerhero.com. Don't forget that it's essential to use a white background. eBay doesn't require this, but it's a rule that you need to follow if you want to sell a lot of items in any platform. Shipping. There are many shipping options on eBay. We will talk more a little bit later, but let me give you some helpful advice. If you do dropship, always use 2 shipping options. One is free for your customers and the second one is the exact shipping time but with $10 shipping fee. When see premium shipping, many of your customers will just pay an extra dollars. That will be clean profit for you because the shipping is also almost included at the price. This is the best practice at eBay, to include the shipping at the price of the item and to choose the free shipping option, but don't forget to add the second one, registering a new eBay account and linking your payment method. The first thing we are going to do is to go on the eBay homepage and create a new account. So let's go to the top of the page and click the register button. Here you will be asked to type your personal information, your first and last name and email address, and the password you have chosen to use. After all of your information is typed, you should click the create account button. It is important to be mentioned that you have to be absolutely sure all the information is realistic and you provide your real names and an email address. That's how we can create it already an account. When you start to list your first item, eBay will ask you to provide a bank account. About listing limits, firstly, we should know what our seller limits are, because we have just created an account. We have basic limits, only 10 items and up to $1,000. That's the reason why we need to select the items to sell. We are going to choose them wisely and choose them using the best market research methods. I will share one little trick with you. You can start selling items on the -1 or -2, then you will not have any profit, but at the beginning it's very important to start generating some sales. Then don't be afraid to lose $20 to sell your first 10 items, because after that your account will start going very well and you will make a lot of profit, and these $20 are nothing to start a business. As you maybe already know that it's no business without investment. Don't forget to provide the best customer support that you can do, because it's very important to not receive any negative feedback at the beginning. If you are interested at the drop shipping, you can just watch how I made over $20,000 with eBay dropshipping from the link on the screen. Taking photographs for your eBay listing to take an amazing photos of your products. If you sell goods, you should use a lovely table, for example, your table in the living room, because you need natural light. It will make the pictures more professional and realistic. In addition, eBay will allow us to change the photos whatever you want, so you shouldn't stop improving the quality of the images of your products. Setting your store policies. As an eBay seller, you have the right to choose if to accept returns or not. I highly recommend that the new sellers accept the return, because that will increase the customers' trust into the beginners. So that's how you can choose whether to accept them. I choose to accept 30 days return on my store, where the buyer will pay the return postage. So you should upload the pictures you have to make, or the ones you have taken through the supplier you use. After your photos are uploaded, you need to pick the primary one. Gaining feedback to your store. After all, you fill out all the information about the specific of the item you are selling, you will get more traffic. And as a new seller on eBay, this is what you need to get traffic. And then now, the moment I want to remind you to subscribe my channel, pressing the red button to subscribe, and after that the bell to receive a notification when I upload new video for online sales. Shipping your products, you can choose to give your buyer free shipping or not. As I told you before, you need to include the shipping price. If the product has a shipping price, you need to include that price to the total product price and to give to your client always free shipping option. This is very important. When you are satisfied with everything, you can continue and see your listing was successfully added, and then you can wait for your first sales. Now you know everything that you need to start. Getting even some feedback, you can make your account look a lot more professional and the buyer feel more comfortable to purchasing from you. You can get feedback from buying and selling on eBay. The best way to actually get those first few feedback is to combine these two methods. When you make your first sale on eBay, you will have to ship the item as quick as possible. The main rule is to choose the top selling items. You should join today, not tomorrow, to increase your chance of making a profit from eBay. And don't forget to watch the video to learn the dropshipping secret.